CVMC, ECE, Unit 1, Complex Variables, Lesson 10. To find the analytic function W is equal to f of z. W is equal to f of z. When real part u or imaginary part v are both combination, that is u plus v, u minus v, 2u plus v, 3u minus v, etc. are given. Important result is Milne-Thomson method. Milne-Thomson method. MTM, Milne-Thomson method. F of z is equal to u plus iv is an analytic function. U comma v satisfy real part and imaginary part. U comma v satisfy CR equations, Cauchy-Riemann equations. Dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y. Dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. In this case, already we know derivative of f of z is f dash z. This formula is dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. Dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. Real part u is given. Your f dash z is dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. Actual formula. But u is given, you write this formula in terms of u. You write dou u by dou x as it is. Instead of dou u by dou x, you write minus dou u by dou y. So minus I dou u by dou y. So whenever real part u is given, you write your f of z is equal to dou u by dou x minus I dou u by dou y. Put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0. This is Milne-Thomson method. Put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0. In above f dash z, we get f dash z is a function of z. F z is a function of z. Integrating, we get f of z. Integral f dash z is f of z, which is required analytic function. which is required. Imaginary part V is given. Suppose imaginary part V is given. Actual formula f dash z formula dou u by dou x plus I dou v by dou x. Now, whenever imaginary part V is given, you write your formula in terms of V. So, you write as it is dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x is dou u by dou y, dou v by dou y plus I dou v by dou x. So, this is very important formula whenever imaginary part is given. Both combination of u comma v is given. Both combination of u comma v is given. Some particular method explained during doing the problems. Problem 15. Find an analytic function f of z whose real part is u is equal to x square minus y square minus x. Solution. So this is very easy problem. Given u here x square minus y square minus x. So your f dash z formula, dou u by dou x minus I dou u by dou y. Now we have to find first dou u by dou x. Partial derivative with respect to x, x square derivative 2x. Partial derivative with respect to x, y square constant derivative 0 minus x derivative 1. So this is 2x minus 1. Dou u by dou y, x square derivative with respect to y, x square constant 0, y square derivative minus 2y 0. So minus 2y. Now you write your f dash z, substitute those values there. 2x minus 1 minus I into minus 2y by Milne-Thomson's method. By Milne-Thomson's method, you write short way MTM, Milne-Thomson method. Put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0 in f dash z. Therefore, f dash z is equal to xz. So 2z minus 1 minus I into y 0. So we get 2z minus 1. Integrating both sides. So integral f dash z is f of z. Derivative integration cancel. So we get f of z right directly. Here you write formula. 2 into constant 2 integral z dz minus integral 1 into dz. This is nothing but 2 into z square by 2 minus z plus some constant, complex constant c. 2 cancel. Z square minus z plus c, where c is some complex, constant, Problem 16. Find an analytic function whose real part u is equal to e power minus x bracket x sin y minus y cos y minus y cos y. Solution. U is given here e power minus x sin y minus y cos y. For convenient you write e power minus x into x sin y minus e power minus x y cos y. Okay, what is your f dash z? What is your f dash z? Dou u by dou x minus I dou u by dou y whenever real part is given. So first find dou u by dou x. Here partial derivative with respect to x, sin y constant. Sin y constant. Apply here uv formula. U into e power minus x into v derivative 1 plus x into e power minus x derivative minus e power minus x minus e power minus x. Next, derivative of this one with respect to x, y cos y constant minus y cos y constant. E power minus x derivative minus e power minus x. You write one more step, simplification step. Better to write simplification step. Sin y e power minus x e power minus x. Minus into minus plus e power minus x y cos y. Now dou u by dou y, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou y. U derivative with respect to y. So here x into e power minus x constant, sin y derivative cos y. Here with respect to y minus e power minus x constant. With respect to y, apply uv formula here. Here product of two functions are there. Apply uv formula. Y into u into y into v derivative, cos y derivative minus sin y plus cos y into y derivative 1. Better to write one more step, simplification step. X e power minus x cos y minus into minus plus y e power minus x sin y minus e power minus x cos y. E power minus x cos y. Now your f dash z is, substitute these values. Substitute these values. F dash z is equal to dou u by dou x value. Sin y e power minus x e power minus x plus e power minus x y cos y minus I dou u by dou y. X e power minus x cos y plus y e power minus x sin y minus e power minus x cos y. By Milne-Thomson method, put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0 in f dash z. 0 in f dash z. your f dash z is equal to sine, put y equal to 0, sine 0, 0, this is 0, y 0, this is 0, cos 0, 1, of course, y 0, so this is 0, okay, so this is 0, 0 minus I into, here, cos 0, 1, so x is z, z e power minus z, cos 0, 1, y 0, 0, cos 0, 1, so minus e power minus z, so minus to minus, you write I into e power minus z minus z e power minus z, you write like this. So integrating both sides, f of z is equal to I into integral e power minus z dz minus integral z e power minus z dz. Now apply integration formula, e power minus z integration minus e power minus z minus chain rule. First you write z as it is, integral of this minus e power minus z, next minus z derivative 1, again integral minus into minus plus e power minus z, I into minus e power minus z minus z minus and minus plus e power minus z minus and minus plus e power minus z, cancel, we get I into z e power minus z. If you are interested, you write plus c, or otherwise need not be right. Problem 17. Find an analytic function. Find an analytic function whose real part is u is equal to sin 2x by cos h2y minus cos 2x. Solution. What is given? U is equal to sin 2x by cos h2y minus cos 2x. So for some formulae, note down those formulae. uv whole dash, uv formula, u into v dash plus v into u dash. U by v formula, v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. Next, sin 0, 0, cos 0, 1, sin h0, 0, cos h0, 1. Next, function derivative. Cos x derivative minus sin x. Sin x derivative cos x. Cos hx derivative plus sin hx. Sin hx derivative cos hx. Now here u is given, you write your f dash z is equal to dou u by dou x minus I dou u by dou y is equal to dou u by dou x. Apply u by v formula. Apply u by v. So this is v, this is u. v into cos h2y minus cos 2x, v into derivative of sin 2x, 2 cos 2x minus sin 2x into derivative of cos h2y, that is 0. So 0 minus cos 2x derivative, minus 2 sin 2x, minus by v square cos h2y minus cos 2x whole square, minus I into dou u by dou y. So sin 2x is constant. This is 1 by x mod minus 1 by cos h2y minus cos 2x whole square. 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. With respect to y, sin 2x is constant. So the remaining one is 1 by x model. So 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. So minus 1 by cos h2y minus cos 2x whole square into cos h2y derivative 2 sin h2y. Cos 2x derivative 0. Need not write. With respect to y, cos 2x constant derivative 0. By Milne-Thomson method, put x is equal to z, y is equal to 0. Your f dash z is cos h0. So you using those formulae, 1 minus cos 2z into 2 cos 2z minus so minus 2 sin square 2z by cos h0, 1 minus cos 2z whole square. Here mainly sin h2y is there. So in this case sin h0 0. So 0 by something 0. So need not write. Only we get this step only is equal to 2 cos 2z minus 2 cos square 2z minus 2 sin square 2z by 1 minus cos 2z whole square is equal to 2 cos 2z. You common minus 2 here. Cos square 2z plus sin square 2z. 1 cos square 2z plus sin square 2z by 1 minus cos 2z whole square is equal to 2 cos 2z minus 2 by 1 minus cos 2z whole square. You common minus 2, we get 1 minus cos 2z by 1 minus cos 2z whole square minus 2 by 1 minus cos 2z cancel here, 1 minus cos 2z minus 2 by 1 minus cos 2z formula 2 sin square z minus 2 cancel minus 1 by sin square is cosecant square z. So we get minus cosecant square z. Integrating both sides, your f of z is minus integral cosecant square z dz. This is nothing but cot z derivative minus cosecant square z. So minus integral cosecant z is minus cot z minus into minus plus cot z. If you are interested, you write plus c.